Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to make the perfect YouTube intro video. So first what you're going to be doing is that you need a background image. So we're going to be choosing this, and now of course you're going to be having a logo as well. So you can see I have imported into my project media bin, and I'm going to be importing it onto my timeline. And here you can see I have my logo and my background image as well, and now I'm going to be adjusting my logo a little bit so I can move it above. Let's just decrease the background image opacity so our logo is much more visible. And now what we can do is we are going to be importing some social media logos so people know where they can find our platform. So here, as you can see, this have the white background. You can simply change the blending mode to multiply, and you can see all of these logos are clear. Now you can add some animations on your logo, and you can see we have this animation, and we can apply a different one on our logo. That's how. So you can see some animation is now added. You can add another animation as well, and maybe another one here. So let's just add this one here, so it looks quite appealing. So yeah, so now you can see we have added some animations and some logos, and now our intro video looks quite amazing. So that's how you can create. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with the friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.